how to find lost or stolen Android phone. But before we start, here you have to understand that your Android device should be logged into your Google account. So if your Google account is logged in your Android device, then you can find your device. For that, you have to open up a browser in your laptop. And in the search bar, type in Find My Device. Then head over to the first link, that is Find My Device. Here you have sign in button, click on sign in, and you have to log in with your same account that you are logged in into your mobile device. Then click on accept. Wait for a while until your device is connected. So here in this way, you can find your device. If you navigate your left hand side, there you can see the type, or there you can see the internet connection that is connected to your device, as well as your battery percentage. But here make sure you are logged in with the same account that you are logged in with your mobile device. So in this way, you can find your lost or stolen Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.